Making your own sprouts is so easy and fun. It's a great economical way that you can have your own greens any time of year, regardless of if you have a garden or not. All you need to get started making your own sprouts are some sprouting seeds, a jar, optionally, but highly suggested, a dedicated sprouting lid. And just for extra measure, I'm gonna use this nice silicone protective sleeve so that I definitely do not break my jar. Step 1, go ahead and get your jar prepped. Got it. Now add 2 tablespoons of whatever sprouting seeds you're gonna use. Cover the seeds with a good amount of water and set this aside somewhere out of the way to soak for 8 to 12 hours. This video is sponsored by Azure Standard. Now, I grew up with Azure Standard, so I am a lifelong customer and fan. They have so many wonderful things. I get all of my spices and bulk dry goods like sugar and wheat berries from Azure. They have a lot of fabulous options for seeds that you can sprout. They also launched their own canning jar line, which is third-party tested to be something like 10 times stronger than comparable jar brands. And they recently started carrying mason jar lifestyle products, which are all phenomenal. And you can use the code PATIENCE15 to get 15% off your first Azure Standard order of $100 or more. And a link to shop with Azure and some of my favorite products will be in this video's description. Now it's time to go ahead and drain and rinse. We're going to repeat this draining and rinsing step every morning and every evening until our sprouts have reached the point that we want to consume them. You can lay the jar on the side, which is kind of my preference, or you can actually just tip it upside down. Because of the way the lid is curved, this works really well. They haven't changed very much, but that will change very soon. Sprouts grow so fast. Here we are the morning after. So this is not even a full 24 hours, and we're already seeing so much growth. Later that evening, and then on day number 3, this is the stage where I would call it quits. These are edible, and in 3 days, I have a whole jar of delicious sprouts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let me know what you think in the comments.